Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktaş, the beloved couple, recently spent a fun day at the beach, sharing beautiful moments with their fans. Their beach day was filled with relaxation, love, and joy as they enjoyed the sun, sand, and sea together. Fans of the couple were thrilled to see their favorite stars having such a great time by the water. Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktaş, one of the most loved couples in the entertainment world, took some time off their busy schedules to relax on the beach. The couple, known for their natural chemistry and love for adventure, shared glimpses of their beach day with their followers. In the photos, both looked happy and relaxed as they played in the sand and swam in the ocean. Yağmur was seen in a simple yet stylish beach outfit, while Barry showed off his fit physique. The two were laughing, holding hands, and even playing in the water. Their smiles and positive energy were contagious, making their fans smile too. They also shared a picture of a beautiful sunset with both of them sitting close, enjoying the peaceful view. It was clear that the couple was making the most of their time together, creating memories and enjoying the beauty of nature. Yağmur and Barış beach day was a perfect example of how this couple always finds time for love and happiness. Even in their busy lives, fans can't wait to see what other adventures they will share next.